Here's how to wipe any Android phone back to factory settings. Now, the first thing we need to do is swipe up and in the app drawer, open up your settings. Now, it looks a bit different depending on which phone you have. I have a Samsung Galaxy, but if you have a Google Pixel or any other Android phone, it might look a bit different. I'll show you what to do if it looks different from my settings. So on here, I'm going to scroll down until I get to General Management and then scroll down to Reset. When I'm in the reset settings, you can see I can choose to do a factory reset. If you don't see that, all you need to do is go back out of here, and instead you can just tap on the search bar and just search for reset and then tap on it. Now within here, we're going to go to reset. And then at the very bottom, you can see it says reset all settings if you wanted to keep all the data on there. But if you want to wipe out all of the data and bring it back to as if you just got that Android phone, just hit the factory data reset. It will go through this process and it will say it'll sign you out of everything. Keep in mind, you do probably want to back up your phone before doing this so you don't lose any of your content. Just tap on that reset button and it will bring it back to factory default.